Hey everyone, Alex here, and today, Merry Christmas everyone, and this is this year's Christmas special. I hope you all are having a Merry Christmas, and this is a custom I've planned for a very long time, the Red Engine, or as me, Steve Angus, and the Toad Train refer to him, as Wilson. A lot of people refer to him as Eagle or Winston, but I refer to him as Wilson. Now this engine was a piece of cake to make. It was super easy. So I'll put him on the turntable for a reference. So here he is. So basically I just painted the locomotive red by using a James and the tender red by using an Edward tender. I painted the wheels black and the wheels red on the locomotive. I just found out that using a take-along version is a lot easier than having to make an Ertl one. Because in the first original illustration, the model did look a bit hard when I tried it in Ertl, but I decided a take-along one will work. So I used a Sharpie for these parts, and the handrail is gray. Then I drew NWR on his tender. So this was the engine that tried to push Henry out of the tunnel in the Railway series. So I also added a stripe on the back of his tender. That way I don't confuse with which side is supposed to be pointing up. And so, I gave him a 2015 Take and Play Freddy face, because I used a Take-Along Freddy as my primary one, and I do not want to cut the face off that one. So I cut the face off the 2015 version instead, and I super glued it onto the smoke box. And so anyway, I'll put a picture here for all of you to see here. So it'll come in a few seconds. So a lot of people may think that this engine is James when it actually isn't. It's actually a different engine. And this engine actually went by Alec Greedy with a Donald, Douglas, or Emily tender, but this is a completely different character and it's not James. Like I mentioned, this was the engine who tried to push Henry out of the tunnel but had no success. So everyone, thank you for watching and have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you all again in 2023, and also enjoy a special video too. Goodbye! Ho, 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 everybody! Merry Christmas! Welcome to the trains of NorthPark Center. As you see here, come on, this is the intro. So, all these trains are awesome. So we're back for another year visit. As you may know, this appeared in last year's New Year's special and as a bonus feature in the Racer in the Magical Kingdom. If you want to watch them now, they'll be put in the description below. So we are ready to begin our NorthPark train adventure right about now. Wow, looks like we're doing a scavenger hunt this year. So first, we're gonna go through everything like we did last year. Okay, Charlie. This is Condo Smith 34. He's our special guest appearing in this video. Santa Fe! I went there during the summer. Wow. Trains. The trains make me so happy. Oh, look, there's a diesel. It's pushing some freight cars. The Union Pacific. Woohoo! Well, the police are extra busy here today. You can tell. It's so beautiful this time of year. I also heard some lovely music. Thomas! And he's pulling Annie and Clarabelle. Clarabelle's facing the wrong way. Here comes another train. Water tower. What I didn't point out from last year is there's a push button here too. You see? Now there goes Dumbo. Dumbo's flying. Woohoo! Flying around, ziggy zaggy, spinny loop-de-loop-de-loop. Roller coaster run, Ferris wheel fun, it's all right there. Well, the aliens are on Earth. Two trains are pulling a heavy goods train. Ah, cab forward. Wow. No, wait a minute. That's not a cab. I think it is a cab forward. Let me know in the comments below if that steam engine's going backwards or if it's a cab forward. Hey everybody, thank you all so much for coming on our NorthPark Trains adventure. If you like this video, you can subscribe, leave a comment, like the video, and ring the bell for more notifications. And if you have not seen last year's video, it is featured on last year's New Year's special and as a bonus feature in the movie The Racer in the Magical Kingdom. Merry Christmas, and I hope you have been good this year. Goodbye!